Well, it's time to see how Wanda and Nancy's Monday morning makeovers turned out.
Yep, this is how they looked before the makeovers got underway. Let's see how they look now.
Wow.
Oh, beautiful, ladies. Very nice. Hey, Joseph, tell us all about it.
Beautiful ladies. Well, I would like to start off over here with Mandy. I know I never get their names right.
Nancy and Wanda.
Nancy, yeah. I really feel that this was the absolute correct shape for her becoming taller and getting more of a diamond shape in there and softening it up. And she's got about 2 more haircuts to go till she'll fill in completely to where she needs to be. How are you feeling?
Wonderful. Just
Yeah.
great. Yeah, this has been so much fun. Yep, they're all great here. Just
A lot of tips you received today.
yes, a lot. Now I know more what I should be doing with my hair and makeup. And yeah, it's
Yeah.
been awesome.
Your little index box card was overflowing.
Yeah.
And you
Lost a lot of hair.
like an interesting Angelica Houston to a
Beautiful
2000.
now.
Yeah.
Beautiful now.
Yes.
That's what
very
I feel
beautiful.
like. Beautiful.
Very beautiful.
And I don't think I've ever felt that way in my life.
Right.
Aw.
I don't.
I know. I don't either. It's beautiful. And her color turned out well. If you can see those little flecks of light in there.
Yeah,
And I'm
just enough.
flattered because she asked if I was married. She wanted to marry me, and I thought that was kind of cute.
I
But
just really want to take you home right now.
I know we'll do lunch, I said. We'll sneak off. I want to say thank you to Amy and Chris, because without them, this does not happen. And on this side, I want to thank Heather and Kathy Joe, because this gets to be a mishmash, right, girls?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Not what you think it is.
They've got you running all over the place here. Come with me. No, go with me.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Who would have thought I'd end up in the bathroom with you, helping you get dressed? Things you gotta do. Things you gotta do. But it is. It's a full-time job, and I want to thank both daughter-in-laws. Daughter-in-laws, run here quickly. I've got seconds.
Yeah, quick.
Quick.
We wanna see 'em.
Quick.
Yay.
There they are.
So they're
Quick,
the ones who
hurry.
nominated their mothers-in-law, and look at how
Yeah.
it turned out.
Stand by
so
your.
great.
Stand by your. Yeah, there they are. Yeah.
Thanks, everyone.
And they were very nervous. So thank you very much. Say goodbye. Peace, love, and hair gel.
See ya.
Peace,
Great
love, and hair
job.
gel.